Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Have you ever wished to install a PC application, or you've wished to play PC games on your mobile phone and you don't know how to go about it? Now I'm going to show you the new interface that will help you to be able to use your PC on your mobile phone. Alright, so you literally don't even need a PC anymore. You can have access to your PC user interface, everything looking more like a PC on your phone, on your mobile phone. It doesn't matter the phone you're using, as far as it's an Android phone, you can literally use this very well. So I'm going to show you how it works and how you can go about it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first thing you need to do is downloading this application called PC on Clouds. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. Once the app opens up, you can scroll through and you get started. So basically, we're actually going to be paying for your plan here. That is the first thing you need to understand. However, it's a very cheap plan for the value you're going to be getting. So the one we're going to be using is, we're going to be using the $2 plan. And in this $2 plan, all you just need to do is come here. You can see all the advantage you get: 220 running hours. Alright, so you come here and click on buy now. Alright, and you're gonna get to the payment details area. So you click on buy now again, and once you get to, you can literally read everything that you need to read here. Alright, and then continue to confirm payment. So it's very easy to go along with, because for the sake of the advantage you're going to be getting, this is actually worth it. So do the necessary reading. So as I said, I'm going for the $2 plan. All right, and here where you see the Windows OS license, you tick it. All right, so I've ticked that already. Then you can go ahead to submit your payment. All right, and of course you choose the method you want to be paying for. So I'm going to be choosing payment through Google Pay. So automatically from there you can carry on. It's going to take you to where you're going to put in your card details and where you're going to then be making your payment. So it's very easy. After that, you're going to see a prompt that says that you have been subscribed. So this is after I have made the payments. Now you can see subscribed. You see that? So it's quite easy. So very easy. So once that is done, you see that everything will automatically be synced in right here. So you're going to come here to your cloud, and as you can see here, it has shown that I have been connected to the cloud's PC. So you can see that. So now you can go ahead to open it and see what it looks like. So as you can see here, this is how the PC looks like. Alright, it's going to actually be brighter on your screen when you're using it. So just make sure you accept everything here. So this is how it starts from. So you can skip anyone you're not okay with. You don't really have to answer all questions there. You can also come here to sign into your Microsoft. Alright, so once you're done signing in, so all of this you can do it yourself. I will just go ahead to just put in the details. Once I'm done signing in, and then you put in the codes for your sign in and everything, then you would also come here to where you can back up file if you want. But then I don't really think I need those ones, right? Just click on next and then you're all set. So this is how it's gonna look like at the end of the day. You wait for a few minutes. So once it opens up, as you can see, this is the interface of the application, and you can see everything that is on your PC is actually here. You can actually come to this point here where you have this, all right, and then you can easily select if you want to use the touch. For example, you can be using your touch, or if you want to be using the mouse, or if you want to bring out your keyboard, or if you want to go to the menu, whichever one you want, you can select it from this point here. Alright, so this is very easy to use. So this is the left click on the mouse, this is the right click on the mouse, and this, you can use this for scrolling up and down if you want. So if you right click, just like when you right click on the keyboard or on your computer, you can see the refresh option. You can click on refresh. You can come here to where you have your file manager, or file explorer, and you see that everything looks exactly like that in your PC. You can see this is your download, this is everything that you have on your phone locally stored. Everything is all right here. All right, so this is super easy and cool to use. You see that once you click on any of them, they open up. You right, you see that although currently this one is empty, but then you can come back here and then check other areas. All right, you can check this one that empty, but then you look out for the places where you have things stored. All right, so this one has something to all of it. So now if you want to use, you can actually see that there is options here to use even to make use of your Chrome browser, the Edge, the Dropbox, and so many other things. And if you want to go ahead to find more applications, you can come here to find them. For example, these are games, this is Netflix and all. You see that? So if you can come here to click on all applications, you'll see that there are different options right here. You can come here to scroll down. All right, you see there are different things right here that you can see. Right, so super easy. You can use all of them just like the options are on your phone. For example, if you want to make use of the Word documents, Excel, and all other things related to that, you can come here and scroll up. Let's scroll up a bit. Let me show you where you find that. You see this one that has Microsoft 360. You can open it up, and once you open it up, you're gonna see your Word here. You see your Excel here. You see that? You see that? So you can also view more apps here. You see that there are other ones here on look and all. So if you click on Excel, it's going to open up. So let's click on that. You came here and create a new work space here. So you see how really interesting it is to actually have this on your mobile phone. So you can literally have your PC on your phone. So this is crazy, right? So let's just exit. So this is how this works. And so in my next videos, I'm going to be sharing more about these apps and things you can do with it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you always in my next videos. Bye for now.